our day 2 in Baler. So we are here at, I don't know how to say it, but it's like Digizit rock formation, and it's so stunning. Look at this, guys. That's the rock formation. It's Instagrammable. So right now it's raining, but we will still enjoy the vibe of this place.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, libutin natin yung area. Ito yung rock formation. Ang lakas ng alon kasi umuulan ngayon. Signal number 1 ba dito? May bagyo kasi ngayon sa Aurora. Signal number 1. Ito yung isa pang rock formation. Wait lang yan. Madudulas yung mga bato na yan. So be careful guys if you step on the rocks. And look. It's really, really nice. So nice. So yan guys. Libutin natin yung area. From here, going there. Yung sand niya, it's like yellowish. And ano siya, mabato. So better to wear your slip-on or your ano ba yan? Water shoes. Oh yeah. Ang nice ng area guys, super. Ang daming rock formation dito. Pero feeling ko hindi siya advisable to swim. No? Kasi parang once you reach the shore, hindi naman siya basta once you reach yung part na may waves, malalim na siya agad. Ayan. Sobrang nice ng area. So ngayon may bagyo pero hindi naman ganun kalakas yung ulan. I think may ang ganda look. Tapos yan. So yan. So guys, galing kami sa may di pala kami pumasok sa loob. Pero napadpad kami hanggang sa gate ng Discalarin Bay. So 300 per head siya. And we are bringing a sedan car. So packed with 5 persons. Kung 300 per head, magkano yun? 1.8. And yung pwede nyo lang gawin doon is yung i-visit yung mga
Yung cave.
Yung parang lighthouse, parang museum, beach. Hindi naman kayo makakapag-swimming kasi malakas yung wave. Tapos may restaurant sila doon. And yung daan papunta dito, sobrang tirik. Tsaka ganyan. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan yung daan.
Anong bagit ang punta ng tao?
Oo, diba? Challenging yung daan dito. Paakyat. Pag pababa, carry lang kasi mabilis na lang pababa. So yun lang. If you are planning to go here, yan. If you are planning to go here, be prepared. Tsaka dapat 20 kilometers per hour lang.
10 na lang dapat.
Sobrang tarik. O kaya 10 lang. Sobrang tirik talaga. So,
empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn.
see that guys? Sobrang taas ng alon. Look. Yan. Magsa-surfing sana ako. I mean, nasa board na ako. Ang nangyari lang is, patayo na ako ng board. Sinubsob ako ng alon. Tapos may kasunod na alon. Nasubsob yung mukha ko sa sand. So yan, tumigil muna ako. Kaya siya muna.